Hey guys, today we are making easy no egg French toast. It is so simple to make, only uses 4 ingredients: gluten-free bread, a little bit of butter, cinnamon, and of course milk. It's so simple, only takes about 10 minutes from start to finish, and our version of course is gluten-free, nut-free, egg-free, and can easily be vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by taking our ground cinnamon and mixing it into our milk. Next, we're going to take a pan and we're going to add our 4 pieces of gluten-free bread. And then we're going to pour the mixture over the bread. We want to flip the bread over quickly. You do not want the gluten-free bread to soak for a long time in the milk or it will fall apart, just until it's coated. Then I like to add some extra cinnamon. You can, or you do not have to do this step. Next, we are going to butter our grill pan. Add our 4 pieces of bread, and then flip them over and cook the other side. I like to add another piece of butter to get that beautiful golden color. Once they are cooked on that side, we're going to remove from the heat. And it's that simple. You can top with whatever you like: maple syrup, powdered sugar, butter, or even chocolate syrup. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as my kids do. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.